The key of a successful repair shop is to invest in the losses.
You knew he's gonna break it.
I wanted him to rip it. And this is another key. Never be angry. If it's not fully fixed as we promised, no charge.
Hi everybody, I got Muath over here with Phone Factory here in St. Charles, Missouri. How you doing, my friend?
Alhamdulillah, good.
It's been almost a year now?
Yeah.
11 months.
We opened in September of last year. Yeah.
Okay. Of course, every business has challenges. Every business has good days and bad days. Can we say we are in the good days now?
Absolutely. Even the bad days are not considered bad days as long as it's part of the plan.
Right.
So if you have a proper plan in place,
sure,
you project the bad days.
Good. It's a challenge.
Yep, absolutely.
And you opened, okay, so you've been doing wireless, prepaid, and repairs, and handsets, and data recovery, and not a lot of places they do that.
Absolutely.
What do you advise small businesses that they're starting the business and they say, I just want to do one thing. I just want to do prepaid or repair or just handset sales. You're doing what everybody's dream is. You're combining everything together.
Absolutely.
How did it work for you?
I prioritized. Margins are pretty good when it comes to repairs.
Okay.
And the key of a successful repair shop is to invest in the losses. For instance, if one of the biggest downsides of what I've seen with like business owners is if I try to repair an expensive screen on a 16 Pro Max, for instance,
sure,
and that screen is probably costing me like $200. If I crack it, that's it. You have to predict, you have to invest.
Yeah.
If the more you do it, the more you will be successful, and then that success rate will be up to like 95, 98% of your repairs would be successful. Now consider it, I think of it as like an insurance policy. For instance, if I want to invest in upping my game in repairs,
sure,
if you want to pay for insurance for your store, you're paying like $300 a month. Then at the end of the day or at the end of the year, you feel like you didn't use that money, so you want to cut it off. That's definitely not the case. You want to keep it going and keep investing. And it's pretty much like a training program. If you have a technician that needs proper training, and you're training him, part of training him is him breaking those, damaging sums. A quick example about that is one of my technicians, this is the first time he's opening a device. I predicted what's going to happen. It's one of the iPhones. As he's opening the iPhone, he's going to have to remove the sensor from the screen, the proximity sensor, to another screen. You know what I did? I gave him the phone. I was like, fix it.
You knew he's going to break it.
But before I did that, I made sure we had sensors in stock. I grabbed the proximity sensor,
right,
and I put it at the corner of his desk.
Sure.
I swear to God. And then as he's, fixing it and he's watching a video and then he opens it, he rips it.
Oops.
And then he's like, and this is another key, never be angry.
No.
And then because he was afraid, he was like, oh man,
it's
look what I did. I was like, yeah, but look what I put there right now. It's like what, 15, 20 bucks, 10 bucks, whatever. I wanted him to rip it because that first feeling that he went through, once he bypasses that and then he, installs that sensor, collects the money from the customer's happy, you're happy, I'm happy. It's just uphill from there.
It's like doing your best steak. You got to burn 2, 3 before, or maybe even 5 before you get to the better steak. And
absolutely.
Then as you go, you can become better. So training your employees, you do invest time in training.
I do.
You're more patient. So don't be yelling at your team, teach your team, lead your team. And I'm going to say one thing about, I've seen a lot of customers jumping off their chairs, happy to see their phones are prepared, that other places told them, we can't do it. So anybody having an issue with their phones, anybody that before they pull the plug on the phone, they need to bring it to the Phone Factory.
Absolutely.
And I've seen you doing, so what do you do when you cannot fix something? What do you do?
Well,
or not, I don't want to say cannot, it's non-fixable, because reality, not everything's fixable.
Well, 2 things.
Sure.
The first option that we always give to the customer is we underpromise.
Sure.
That way, the delivery will always be hands-on with the customer. The customer will always be happy regardless. We tell the customer we would consider this under the process of diagnostic.
Sure.
And it's free.
Okay.
So whatever labor we put in, even if it's hours or days, even if we had to order a part and that part didn't work, even if it worked halfway, a few parts worked and a few didn't, if it's not fully fixed as we promised, no charge.
Did you hear that?
That is, you have to do that.
Sure.
You cannot charge customers for labor that did not end up in success. The second part is you recommend them to, the big dogs or an insurance, go through your insurance. Or sometimes they don't want to go through the insurance, even if it's whether they pay the deductible or not, because sometimes it's a time frame.
Higher yes.
The time frame. Even if the deductible is free, sometimes they don't want to wait 2 to 3 days to get a new device. But that's the option, the second option, that if we couldn't and we have this thing, but if it can't be done here, I don't see any other local place that that can achieve what we have achieved here.
Sure. You guys have a professional place. You have great lab over here, parts, OEM parts, clean desks, safe. I love what you're doing, man.
Thank you.
You're upping the game.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Upping the game. And look at this beautiful guy, guys. St. Charles. What's the address?
It's 1978 Zumbel Road.
1978 Zumbel Road. Phone Factory. Come and check the place. And I promise you, you're not going to regret it.
Thank you.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
Great. Thank you.
Thanks.